equal, greater, or less than operators. Equal, greater, or less than operators. While using if-else statements, we can use many different mathematical comparisons. For example, greater than or equal, less than or equal. These operations are very important to know them because you will use them a lot for all kind of programming languages. Note, while using greater than or equal or less than or equal, make sure the equal sign comes after the greater than and less than signs, such as if 15 greater than or equal 5, print yes. Let's see how. So now open brackets and we will use greater or less than with if-else statements for comparisons. For example, I will create a variable called greater and I will assign it with 10. Next, I will create a variable called less and I will assign it with 5. Okay, now let's compare these two variables. So type if greater is greater than less, then the statement will be print yes, else, print no. After that, save the file and try it on terminal. Cool. As you can see here, greater variable which contains number 10 is greater than less variable which contains number 5. So if we change the operator to greater than or equal sign, which means if greater variable is greater than or equal to less variable, then print yes, else print no. Now try on terminal. Good, it says yes. Now we want to try less than sign and see that on terminal also. It says no, because the greater variable is not less than the less variable. If we try less than or equal sign, it will also print no, because the greater variable is not less than or equal to less variable. If we use the equal sign, which means greater variable is equal to less variable, print yes, else print no. As you can see here, it prints no because the two variables are not equal. Anyways, for now, please do not forget the equal sign. It should be after the greater or less than signs, not before, because it will print error in the terminal if you do that. Alright, thank you so much.